How is life coaching for children different than parenting? Isn't that your job as a parent? Well, life coaching for children goes beyond traditional parenting rules around character development, moral development, behavior development. Life coaching for children, it is all about empowering children through mindset development. It's about supporting kids in learning how to use the power of their mind and the power of their thoughts to create happy, fulfilled lives, to reach their fullest potential. When parents reach out to a life coach for children, when he's looking for support with their child, it doesn't mean that that parent it is an ineffective parent. It is quite the opposite. That parent is giving the child a gift to learn about self-esteem, to build self-esteem that doesn't rise and falls with the ups and downs of growing up, to build resilience. Building resilience will help the child to move forward every time when he's facing a disappointment, to develop confidence that will help the child to move through shyness, fear, anxiety, to stretch outside his comfort zone and go for it in life. Will help the child to make good decisions, to stand up peer pressure. Learn how to live life with an intention versus drifting to life without direction. How to set goals and how to achieve them. These skills are going to be useful now when they are in childhood, when they will be later as a teenager, and for the rest of their lives actually. But we coaches work in partnership with you parents because you parents are the trusted advisors. My name is Anna and I'm certified as a Wisdom Life Coach for children. And if you like to learn more about life coaching for children, please click the link below.